I'm Chris, I'm a funeral director, and I got my hair back. And when I saw the top of my head, I couldn't believe that that's what everybody else was seeing. I couldn't believe that I had lost that much hair. I needed a change. The consultation proved to be very informational, and it did show me that I needed this done. I didn't realize how bad my hair had looked and how much I had lost. Did look into other companies that did a similar procedure. However, getting an appointment with them or an instant response wasn't easy. When I called Transitions, I was able to get a hold of somebody immediately, schedule a free consultation immediately, and right from the first phone call, Transitions was the place for me. Everything happened exactly the way I was told. New hair growth, thick hair growth. They took care of me from day one, from the consultation to my procedure, follow-ups. Everything that was explained to me happened. And having hair has changed how I relate to people, my confidence with people. And this is a balding, not very confident, not very happy guy. Now it's all changed. No longer worried about people looking at little to no hair. They're looking at full head of hair. I can't say enough about Transitions. It's changed my life.